Assalamu alaikum. In the last lecture, I discussed that in upcoming lectures, I will discuss sheep and goat, all the domains. Now, on the first module one and lecture number one, I will discuss within this lecture uh, introduction of sheep and goat, like introduction to sheep and goat production, importance of small ruminants in Pakistan, comparison of sheep and goat, and lastly the breeds of sheep within Pakistan, which are major. Uh, so introduction to sheep and goat production. Sheep and goat are small ruminants. Ruminants means those animals who have a stomach with four compartments like rumen, reticulum, omasum, and abomasum. This type of stomach helps the animal to digest the fibrous feed efficiently. And in Pakistan, sheep and goat farming is carried on a larger scale, and it is the main source of livelihood within rural areas of Pakistan. The products that we obtain from sheep and goat are as follow. We got meat like mutton and chibon. We get milk wool from sheep. We get hair and fiber from goat. We get leather like leather shoes, leather jackets from the skin of sheep and goat, and also manure like fossils, waste components of the feed, which are used as organic fertilizer. Similarly, second slide is about the importance of small ruminants in Pakistan. Livestock contributes significantly to Pakistan's agriculture economy, as I discussed within the last slide. It has we can visualize, or we can get the concept and of how small ruminants in Pakistan have importance. We will discuss it on economic importance, on nutritional scale, on environmental scale, on social scale. So discuss first in economy. It is a main source of income for rural families. Mostly, all the rural areas have sheep, goat in their homes, and they got milk, they got meat from them. It is also a source of employment for different peoples who have no other source of livelihood. They work on farms, and they work for marketing, and they work for transportation of these from one area to other, as well as on slaughterhouse and meat processing. Similarly, their meat, skin, wool is transferred from one country to another, like from Pakistan to China. Their skin, wool, and meat are transferred. Similarly, it is a main source of cash flow through sale of animals in village areas. It is a fact that different peoples have different choice, and in rural areas the people uh, sold the animals of sheep and goat, which have a lot, which rare, you can say that on pregnancy a sheep and goat have two little birds. uh, these littles, there is a period of 6 months for the delivery of goat. So on every delivery there are two little goats, and in this way their production level is much more, and farmers got much cash and cash flow throughout in this chain. And second is nutritional importance. Nutritionally, it is a source of protein, and the milk of the goat is digestible and suitable for children's, and it is a good source of protein as well as energy. Muttons are rich in protein, iron, zinc, and vitamin. Second is social importance. Uh, Socially, it is animals are household assets and financially security. It is mostly on Eid ul Azha. The Muslims slaughter the sheep and goat mostly as for religious festival. Similarly, in rural communities, the gifts or dowry are made in form of sheep and goat. And next is environmental importance. Environmentally, sheep and goat are also have much importance. Uh, Efficiently utilize marginal lands unsuitable for crop production. They helps to remove the weeds and bushes from the agriculture land as they can feed their feed on these and on open hazards they move uh, they move without any restrictions in the field agriculture field and eat weeds and bushes. In this way they just move them from the field and also uh, remove the chances of other pesticides within the field. Secondly, it is a source of manure that improve the soil fertility. There are different type of ingredients within the manure of the sheep or goat, which is used as a organic fertilizer within and is added to the land in which some fertility is level is not achieved. So these are added to that that field or agriculture land, and they improve the soil fertility in this case. The third point is current status in Pakistan. If we see the recent livestock statistics, goats are the largest ruminant population in Pakistan, and similarly, sheep is also present within Balochistan, KPK, Sindh, and southern Punjab on a larger scale. And the demand of sheep and goat is meat continues, and the Pakistan is increasing their GDP values by selling sheep and goat to other countries too. And third part is comparison of sheep and goat. Here are some things that we have to discuss or we have to see about sheep and goat, like the scientific name. The name of sheep is Ovis aries, while goat is Capra hircus. Feeding habit, this it is grazer, goat is bruiser. Preferred feed, grass, while goat is shrubs, leaves, and bushes. Tail position hangs downward, while goat upright. So as beard usually absent and got common in male and some females. And horn shape thick and curved within goat thin and upright. Wool production, sheep is a major source of wool production. Within goat it is less. Milk production, sheep is moderate while goat is a major source of milk to many people. Meat, sheep meat is called mutton while goat meat is called chivon. Disease resistance moderate and generally high, and adaptability better in cool climates, while in case of goat, it is hot and dry climate survival. Intelligence. Sheep is calm animal while goat is curious as active. You can see that many different breeds of goats are able to fight with any person that touch them or a new person that come in the form of the sheep like that the sheep goat and the goat is not only active, it also fight or attack on the person who uh, come close to them. And climbing ability of sheep is poor as it is a high weight, while goat is excellent. Water requirement, sheep has moderate while goat is both short, lower than sheep, but in some grades it is high. Last is market demand. And in case of market demand in sheep is high, while in case of goat it is low. Uh, Next is benefits of sheep and benefits of goats. Sheep is the source of wool production. We get wool from sheep, which is used to make jersey, jacket, shoes, and many other components that are the requirement of our life. Similarly, sheep are efficient grazers on grasslands. Means you can you can leave the sheep within the grassland and they will graze efficiently and with freedom. They are good flocking behavior. Similarly, they are suitable for large pasture systems. You can see that in New Zealand and in Netherlands, there are a lot of sheep farms because there is the grassland or pastures are many in number. And the second is benefits of goat. Goat have better adaptability. They can adapt to any environment. They can survive on poor quality forest too. They have high disease resistance. Their faster reproduction, as I discussed within the start of this slide, lecture, that goats are faster reproduction. Their breeding time is every 6 months they reproduce, and mostly they reproduce two to three small goats childs, and it has great demand for meat. Uh, then there are topic of sheep and goat breeds, and it is the last topic of today's lecture. In this, as we can see that there are many different breeds of sheep. Almost 30 type of breeds are present within just Pakistan in different areas like with Balochistan, KPK, and we will start from Kajli. Then we will discuss seven more breeds which are famous within Pakistan. Kajli, it is in Punjab. It is majorly used for meat and wool. Its color is white and black and brown head. Its characters are large, its body size, fast growth, good milk meat quality. Next is Lohi. Its southern Punjab location. Its purpose is to meat and carpet wool. You can see that different carpets are made on from the wool, which is got from Lohi. Its characteristics are wide body, medium to large size, good adaptability. And third is Thali. Thali is the deserted breed. Purpose is to meat collection. Its characters are they. It can bear a lot of heat stress. It is suitable for heat stress environment like deserts, which is in Pakistan, in Bahawalpur, in Kanpur areas, or in Laya. It is medium body size. Fourth is Kajni. Its origin is KPK. It is also breed for wool and meat. Its characters are thick wool, cold tolerant, and mountain breed. Fifth is Blochi. It is named by Balochistan as it is the main which is main breed of the Balochistan sheep. It serves a meat purpose is meat and characteristics are hardy breed, drought resistant, and long distance walking ability. Sixth is Buchi. It's in Punjab. It is meat and wool source. Its characters are it is medium size, not too little or too large. It is medium. It also adapt to hot climates. It also have reproduction performance good. Seventh is Damani. Its origin is Dera Ismail Khan. Meat is it is main source of meat. Its characters are small to medium body size, excellent heat tolerance, early maturity. And the last breed that we discussed within this lecture is Sipli. It is also in Balochistan. Purpose is to get meat. Its meat is too good to eat. Its characteristics are hardy breed. It perform well in the extensive grazing. You can say that if there are lot of pastures, lot of open areas where sheep can graze, they get lot of they can graze freely, and they gain weight too much, and have a good weight for use on slaughtering on Eid ul Azha, as their good taste their meat. And last is they can adapt to dry conditions. It is the lecture for today. So if you find something curious, or you can't understand, then you can comment within the comment section, and we will again meet within the next meeting, next lecture. Allah Hafiz.